Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make buttons with HTML and CSS. So this is a very easy tutorial and let's just get started. I think I have an example here. We can create a button like this and also different kinds of buttons. So make sure to stick until the end of the video and let's just get started. So first of all, we need the HTML tag and tab. So I'm going to name it button. Sorry. um, button, and now I'm gonna link it to my CSS file actually, and clean.css. You don't actually need a div. If you need a div, you can have it, but by the way, I don't need a div. There are two ways you guys can create a button. First is through a actual button tag, but regardless of that, there is always a anchor tag. You guys can you do that. It's really easy to modify stuff with that, so let's just use that. So I'm gonna put home, I'm gonna go to CSS. I'm gonna create a universal set as usual, padding 0, font family as usual sans serif. So as you guys can see the result, this is how it actually looks. So we're gonna transform it to something great what I showed you guys. So where do we stop? Yes, we need the background color, background color to purple, and now let's modify the anchor tag text decoration none, and background color on this should be dark blue. So as you guys can see, this is how it should be looking like. So we'll just make it look a little more appealing. So the actual color for the text should be white. Yes, so we need some spacing, so let's do that by using padding. So that's how it should look. Let's just decrease the padding. Oh, sorry. Let's just decrease the padding to 28, and let's set the position to absolute and top 50% and left 50%. So you guys can see how the first button we created looks. We can also create another type of button by having a border, and I'll show you guys how to do that. I'll just name this home tool, and let's just add a class for it because we need something to define it for. uh, a2. So I'm gonna basically copy the whole the CSS stuff I used in this because it will definitely get some time. It's time consuming, so you should make sure you get the work done as much as possible without compromising on anything. So color is white, padding is all great, but we're going to remove the padding. We don't need that. We don't need a background color. So what we're actually going to be doing is, these are the normal codes. Border, just a border tag, and 2 pixels of solid white. So if you guys see the transformation, actually this looks fantastic. Like, I'll just show you the differences between both of them. Just I'll take this a little bit up. Like, this looks so awesome. Like, it actually is like so cool, right? And after that, what we can do is also get a border bottom. um, Border bottom, this means the border is only on the bottom, so this can also give a good effect. You guys can use this for your hover effects. I used this in my previous tutorial, and that's about for this tutorial, I think. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, I'll just teach you how to do a hover effect dot a2 colon. Also, I have a basic tutorial on HTML CSS. I'll just leave it in the description if you guys want to learn. Hover, so set the cursor to pointing. By the way, there are so many cursors. Uh, I'll set the background color to purple, and the actual color um, to run about black. So, so if you guys can see right now, that's how it hovers. Like I'll just, if I change it, this is how it definitely should be looking like on yours. And that's about for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Just follow me on Twitter for more videos and for more updates on my channel. And if you guys want me to open up a personal channel, just comment it down below. Love your support, like the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.